In this quick video, I will show you how to buy Bitgert on Hotbit step by step. So the first step is to go to hotbit.io and you will gonna need to log in first and then go to your wallet, go to my fund and make sure that your USDT is in your spot account. You can see it here, spot, and then click deposit if you don't have a USDT yet. And once you have USDT in your spot account, go to markets here and then on the search bar here type down BRISE, and now you can type the amount of USDT you want here. For example, I want to buy BRISE with the maximum amount of USDT I have, so I will just drag this to 100% and then click buy BRISE. Click confirm, go to your wallet, click my fund, click spot, and as you can see on the BRISE token here, I have the estimated value of $6.21. And if you have any questions about how to buy Bitgert on Hotbit, leave a comment below.